Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review Pipefy. I'm going to talk to you about the pricing plans, then I'm going to give you the walkthrough of what you can actually find on Pipefy and how you can use it. And while I'll be doing that, I'm going to talk to you about the advantages and disadvantages I personally see in Pipefy. In my opinion, Pipefy is an amazing tool that you can use for your business, and it's going to really optimize and it's going to make your business more effective and more lean. I believe in that. But there are some advantages and disadvantages that I see that I'm going to talk to you about. Of course, I'm going to give you the alternatives to Pipefy if you're interested. Now, without further ado, let's start and let's jump to the pricing plans. So in the moment when you come here to Pipefy, the first thing that what I like is that you can simply use it for free. So you see the monthly and annually version, and you see that the starter free, no credit card required. With this, you can get really know the Pipefy if you like it or if you enjoy it. Now, when I show the comparison table, let's see. So in the starter, which is for free, up to 5 workflows, users 10, unlimited cards. Now, really important, right here you're gonna have the business, which is $20 a month and 36. It's a pity that you need to request a demo for it, but that's kind of like how it is. Great thing that you have the annual and monthly version. And of course, when we go further, I want to show you something. So add-ons, power workflows you're gonna have in the enterprise. And then when we go further, okay, you're gonna have the integrations here and privacy and security. Now, of course, you're gonna have the training and support for all of these. And even the starter is going to be like really great start for you to understand Pipefy. So I give the thumbs up that they have the free account. That's a really good thing. Then the business and enterprise per user per month. Now you need to tell by yourself that if it's going to have value for you. So that's pretty much it. Now guys, I have a question for you, that if you could like a proposal that you would try Pipefy by yourself, you'll link down below in the description, and let me know if you actually like the tool. What do you like, what you don't like about it, because in my opinion it can be really effective. But there comes the first disadvantage that I have here, is that the learning curve is pretty high on using Pipefy. So when you come here to Pipefy, you can get a little lost of the differences between pipes and databases. Let's say I have the sales pipeline here, and I have the option to switch between Kanban and list view, and many times it can get really overwhelming to understand how it works. Then you're gonna find reports here, the form, but you don't know to what the form is actually connected to, how it works, and it's going to take a little bit of time to understand it. Other than that, I like the design, how it's made, but it's going to take a little bit time to actually get it right. Then also the mobile application is not that great. I believe they would need to improve it, but the Pipefy team is working well on the tool, so that's pretty good. And another thing that I wanted to share with you is that sometimes it's lagging, right? So sometimes the Pipefy is going to be lagging and you need to reload the page. So that's another thing. I have like deals here, and like you have the database here on the top right, on the top, and then here you have a deals that you can edit. So of course you're gonna have the automations here, and that's something you can have, and you can easily create an automation. So when let's say a field is updated, a card is updated, let's say a deal, you can, what is going to happen, send an email card, or you can update the field, or you can create a connect card record, and you just choose it, right? So in the automations are fun, but there is a learning curve on how you can understand it and work with it. So that's something to think about. Now, these are the disadvantages that I found: the learning curve, at the mobile, and sometimes it's lagging. Other than that, I definitely recommend Pipefy to give it a try. Now, what are some competitors that you can use? You can have KissFlow, that's one. So that's something you can do. And also you have like Monday.com or ClickUp and others, but in some ways the Pipefy will dominate Monday.com because it's not straight away the project management tool, at least I think so. With automations, it can be much better. Now on the top right, I can click on the settings here, and I can have the form here, the phases, the members email automations. So when you're gonna click on the flow here, you're gonna see always like the whole process here, right? So what is going to happen? You have automation, and if you would automation, you would see right here. And when you have the input source, let's say this is a form, and when someone is going to fill it out, then you're gonna find all this data here. So that's pretty good. So I created like a tutorial on like introduction tutorial how you can use Pipefy, but I can create like a whole complete tutorial on this if you want me to, guys. And it can be fun too on what is the difference between the Python database, how you can use those. Now another thing what I like about Pipefy that you're gonna have the option to use templates, so that's really cool. So when you come here to Pipefy and I'm going to home button, I can simply click here on templates next to my work, and you can choose the sales lead qualification, lead generation form, sales CRM workflow, task management, and you can simply switch between multiple templates galleries, and you can find the one that suits you the best. Let's say product design, and I can use the template, and then you can edit the template. So that's something you can do. Now, if you can have any questions, guys, regards Pipefy and what you can do here, let me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance. You can easily switch between the Kanban view and list view. And yeah, this is pretty much it, and this was a review for Pipefy. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.